Hi, my name is Jackson. This is my CoSpaces tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an info panel. Press the code, then press the one white block. Press Actions. Find the fat purple block that says Info Panel. Drag the fat purple block into the workspace. Tap the X in the top right corner. Press Upload. Press Images. Press Web Search, and then press Search. Type in a picture you want, then press Done. Choose a picture and drag it onto the screen. Double tap the picture, press Code, and press the gray switch. Press Code. Press No Image or Can't Find. Choose your picture. Press Title and type something in. Press Text and type something in. Press False and pick True. Press X. Then press Play and you're done.